Hi guys, I am from Little Champs Preschool. I'm very happy to share with you a learning kit designed for kids from age 2 years to 5 years. This is part of curriculum in the Little Champs Preschool. We are using different manipulatives and worksheet. Every week we are taking lessons for letters, numbers, colors, shapes and fine motors. The kids really enjoy and learn in a very fun way with the help of this kit. This is activity called my calendar. Student can mark today's weather like cloudy, season rainy, and also mark the today's date like 22 August 2021, and today is Sunday. And also this can be erased and student can practice daily to understand the calendar activity. This is alphabet activity called letter introduction and memory, and we are teaching in a phonical way like this is capital H, this is small h, H is for horse, and student can pull out alphabets from wooden alphabet set like capital H, small h, and also student can pull out animals starting from H like H is for hippopotamus, H is for horse. And also student can practice like a phonical way like H says H in horse, H says H, H, H. This is alphabet activity for letter and sound fluency, and student can practice using manipulatives like I am using these little bears. H says H, It says H in hummingbird. It says H in hive. It says H in hibiscus. It says H. It says H in helicopter. It says H in house. It says H in horse. It says H in hill. And after all done, student can color the little smiley, and student can once again practice using different manipulatives and then color the next smiley. And after all, this can be erased out so that student can practice once again. This is alphabet activity called letter identification, and student requires to find out capitals H and small h using help of the manipulatives. So this is capital H. I'm using bell. This is small h. This is capital H. This is small h. This is capital H. This is small h. This is small h. This is fine motor activity for practicing alphabets and numbers. Like this is capital A. A is for apple. This is small b. B is for ball. This is number. I'm practicing now number 5. Go down, around, put on a hat. You make a 5 just like that. Hindi अंक 3. हिंदी वर्णमाला ई से इमली. And after all, this can be erased out and student can practice out to improve their handwritings. This is number activity to understand the value of the number by using the touch point method. So this is 0. 0 is not having any touch point. This is 1. 1 is having one touch point. I am using little pom-pom balls to show the touch point. 1. 2 is having two touch points. 1, 2. 3 is having three touch points. 1, 2, 3. 4 is having four touch point. 1, 2, 3, 4. This activity for number value identification, and students requires to find out object having value 1. by using different manipulatives, like I am using these small little colored flowers. Watermelon having one seed. This is two fishes. No, bus is having one dot. The mango tree having one mango, one number, one fish. This activity for number and sound fluency, and student can practice using different manipulatives, as like I am using this small little stone, one number, one rupee, one dot on dice, one cake, one number, one ice cream, one banana, one finger, one number. And after all, student can color the smiley. And student can once again the practice using the different manipulative and color the next smiley. And also he can erase out all and practice once again. This activity for number digit identification, and students required to find out number 1 among different numbers shown here by using different manipulatives. And I am practicing using these nice colored stones. This is 1, 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 this is 1. This activity for color introduction and memory for yellow color, and student can practice by singing a poem like yellow, 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 the bus is yellow, 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 the banana is yellow, 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 the duck is yellow. And student can pull out yellow color object from the manipulatives like yellow deer, yellow cheetah, yellow flower, yellow stones, then also yellow pom-pom balls. Activity for color identification, and students requires to find out yellow object using different manipulatives, like I am using the chick is yellow, the sunflower is yellow, lemon is yellow, cheese is yellow. This coloring activity for yellow color, and students are required to color using the yellow color crayons which are offered in the kit. This is shape introduction and memory activity for circle, and students can practice like circle have 0 sides and sing a little poem like circle circle big and round, what I do is roll and around. And they can pull out the circular object like circle, circular stone, circular pom pom, and many more. Also they can practice like pizza is a circle, clock is a circle. Shape name fluency activity, and students can practice using different manipulatives, like I am using these small wooden circles. Wheel is a circle, coin is a circle, smiley is a circle, sun is a circle, plate is a circle, traffic signal is a circle, watermelon is a circle, cabbage is a circle, ring is a circle. And after that, student can color this little smiley. And also student can once again practice using different manipulatives and color the next smiley. Also it can be erased out so that students can practice more and more times. This is shape coloring activity, and students are required to color the object as like shown in the bottom of the page using the crayons which are offered in the kit. This is fine motor activity for the patterns so that students can improve their handwriting, like for a sleeping line they have to trace the sleeping line. For example, the bird is going to nest, they have to trace the straight line, and there are many examples shown on the page. Similar standing line, students required to trace the standing line. For example, for marigold garland they have to trace the straight lines. There are several examples shown on the pictures. This is pattern tracing activity for fine motor, and students required to find out the path for the animals to go their home. For example, dog is going to its home called kennel. Horse is going to his house called stable, and there are many more examples for farm animals and their homes. This is activity called maze activity, and students are required to trace the path. For example, the panda requires to his food bamboo, and students required to find out the path. For example, I'm using the marker to reach the bamboo, and of course it can be erased out, and students can once again practice and improve their handwriting.